Do you want to receive long life and prosperity, success in the sight of God and man? Let God lead and guide you. Healing to your body and nourishment to your bones. Overflowing blessings, loved by God as His favored sons and daughters. Then let's open up Proverbs chapter 3 and you will find everything to do to receive all these blessings. When I'm not sure of life, I run to this chapter. This is one of the best guide and gentle reminder of God's promise to abundant blessings. So let's urge each other to receive all these blessings by living according to His guidance. In this video, we'll be harvesting potatoes in my mini kitchen garden and cook a mini meal. Please don't expect much because it's just a mini garden. In this channel, you'll see varieties of activities apart from my art, but my motive is to acknowledge and reflect on the goodness of God through life's simplest moments. And I also love and enjoy working on small details as well as doing things of my own. Growing food is something I'd love to do, so I'm just starting to learn through this small garden. Huge respect to those who maintain large gardens. Potato is one of the most basic food in the place where I live, so I had to give it a try. This is my first attempt and it's not much, but actually more than I expected. Let's harvest turmeric as well. And let's talk about turmeric. It's one of the easiest one I have grown in my garden. You just need the patience to wait. It's so amazing how God has given everything in nature to sustain ourselves. As we talk about nature, let's remind ourselves Psalm 104 verse 14. He causes the grass to grow for the cattle and vegetation for the service of man, that he may bring forth food from the earth. So let's not forget that it's only God who makes everything possible. Homegrown foods are really special and exciting for me. It may not be much, but these are really special. I'm making a potato curry with pork. And also another one, which is the simplest one I know, is stir fry. So here is it, my mini meal, freshly grown from home garden. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching.